your windows, he's snatching your people up, trying to rape them. So y'all need to hide your kids, hide your wife, hide your kids, hide your wife, hide your kids,
hide your wife. And this is a smashing hit of today's musical culture.
No.
And we have breaking news with newscaster Gianna Parker. And we have breaking news.
In breaking news today, we have the temperate rainforest animals on strike.
What?
You heard me. The mountain lions, the bobcats, and the bears are all in a state of riot.
Oh my, even the rabbits, coyotes, wolves, and eagles?
Some have resorted to storing their food and turning in for hibernation, though there have been some that have migrated elsewhere, away from all the ruckus.
Where's this again? Well?
It says that it is primarily in Eastern Asia, parts of Europe, and near the coast of the United States, such as Northern California.
Word sure spreads fast.
That's what we're here for. Now for more on the case with Kawanga Shanae. Yes, where the animals are on strike. Now, in the heart of the temperate rainforest, you can probably hear the rioting animals. I don't hear anything.
They do sound pretty mad.
Oh, here comes a deer. What amazing creatures.
Can you explain why these animals are so mad?
They don't think their mosses are pretty enough. Just their moss? Well, they're huckleberries, hickory, and lichens too. Noise!
Don't they have humus soil?
Sure do. Some of the best dark, fertile soil out there.
Then shouldn't their plants flourish?
They are. I think they just want attention.
Nice.
Next we have the weather.
With Piper Peter. How is the weather in the temperate rainforest?
It's definitely cold and wet. Certainly almost winter. We're in the temperate rainforest where the lows could reach near negative 22 degrees Fahrenheit. I wish it were 86 degrees Fahrenheit like it would be in the summertime here.
Don't we all?
It looks like it's raining.
Yep. It's not rare for it to rain here. The precipitation and humidity is commonly very high.
Rain?
And snow. 20 to 60 inches on average.
Really? That's very interesting, Piper. Now in better news,
The RWA has officially come to an agreement of what their motto is. Don't try harder.
do harder.
And we are in the northwestern coast of the grand old United States.
When I walk on by, girls be looking like they be fly. I pick to the beat.
It's definitely cold!
This is how I roll. Animal print pants out patrol. It's Red Bull with the big ass bra. They like Bruce Lee, rock got the clap, yeah.
Some have resorted to storing their food and turning in for hibernation. Those there have been some that have migrated elsewhere, away from all the records.
Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. I work out when I walk in the spot.